Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach the AI tool which is a Perplexity AI. This AI we are used for the research purpose. Right? So you can see the AI here. This is the American web search engine that the large model that queries and this you can read that Wikipedia. Okay, this is very powerful AI tool which will be using to the research purpose. Okay, so here we can click on this. It goes to the respective page. I have already logged in my account via the Gmail account. Okay, you have to log in your uh, this AI tool via your Gmail account. Okay, it's very simple where to you have to log in your login by using your Gmail account. So okay, this is the dashboard. You can ask the questions and all. Okay, you can ask any question, but this AI inverted for the purpose of research. Okay, imagine you have a MBA or PhD or B bachelor student. You have to do some assignment. You can get the help of from here. So students who are practicing the exam, there's a PDF notes. You just upload that notes into that this AI. You have to prepare the questions. This AI which the help to make the questions upon the document you are uploaded. Okay, so then let's see the example. I have go to one example and give it you that is that is help you all to learn. So that's what. Okay. This is just a PDF. Okay, this PDF. So here I'm going to this PDF here just got this. What it do here? This PDF I'm going to upload onto my AI tool. So it's uploaded. It takes little bit time to get uploaded. Oh, it's uploaded. Now I'm going to ask the question of this one. I want to make a 10 question. I want to make a 10 question of this document, of this PDF. I want to make 10 best question. Click on it here. Yeah. Click preparing the questions. Okay. So that PDF. Okay. So it goes what is the PDF you uploaded. It makes the questions. Okay. Here you can see the best questions. What is the programming? I have upload that document based on the programming language. Okay. So that it is goes to that document and read and you have to make the question regarding that document. Okay, so that it took all the question from that doc. Okay, so the doc you can see over here what is the program language, how does it gets. This is the first question it's me. The second question it 10 question. Fourth here it make until 10 question. Okay, you go through each question and how that you can easily see how the quality of the questions, how the answer is, it is everything you can see here. Okay, this is a very good AI tool. The research purpose they are invented in this AI tool is a very best tool. It recently they invented that AI tool that famous very well. This growth very well day by day. There are many students are doing this assignment and everything using this Perplexity AI tool. Okay, so the very best AI tool. You can ask the questions. Okay. Okay, why it's important for program to select the appropriate high level languages for writing the code. This is the very best questions for the program. So that when I am schooling, this question come to my paper. Okay, it's been 10 years ago. Okay, so that this question prompts consideration the languages suitably different task and everything. It's answer also well. You can go through that answer along with the answer question and along with the answer you can gain many knowledges. Okay, so this is how we have worked this AI tool. Okay, not this one. If you want to ask the out of this PDF, you can answer. So you have to open the new tab over here. Click on this plus symbol. It opening the new tab. Okay, so here you have to answer anything else regarding. So I want to act as a Java developer. I want to you to write Java hello world. Okay. From the scratch. Here. It explains from the scratch until the output comes. It will explain everything, how to compile the program, how to run everything. It explain in detail. Okay, you can go through that doc and you can read. Okay, now you can ask the question. I'm going to prepare for the Java exam. You can generate a question and all. Here you are going to get. I'm going to open your task. I'm going to prepare for Java exam. I need you to prepare 10 questions, 10 best questions. I need you to prepare 10 best questions along with the answer. With the answer. Along with the answer. Here, who invented the Java programming? What is the extension of compiled Java class? Here, this is the which is the following Java selection statement. Everything it is prepared the very best question regarding Java. Okay, these are the things very important stuff. You just think of it. You have a you can have a best idea. So these are the things we have a. That's why this tool is very famous. This tool is very famous too. It's growth very fast. Okay, so you have to go, you have to ask the question, and you have to upload the document and ask question. There are many things you can get the knowledge of this using this tool. There are a lot of benefits you are using this tool. Okay, I hope you guys you understood the things well. Thank you for watching.